Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to pay Venmo goods and services. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go ahead and open up Venmo.com right here. And if you're on your mobile phone, you're going to go ahead and open up the app. First, you need to download it, so open it up. And once you've done so, we can get started. First thing we need to do is log in. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and register for a Venmo account. And if you have one, you can just log in normally. So go ahead and log in. And once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. On your mobile phone, it's going to look like this. This is going to be your main page from where you can access your home settings, your cards, your settings for your account, and so on, and all of that available once you open up the app. And now we can get started. So let's say that you go ahead and open up to pay something. So by using the pay section, you're going to pay somebody and you want to pay as goods and services so that you are going to be protected. This is how you can pay. So basically, once you have inputted all the info and you go ahead and continue with the payment, there is going to appear this option right here that says to turn on for purchases, that you can get a full refund if something goes wrong with an eligible purchase, and for this the seller pays a small fee. So basically you can turn this on. This is going to enable you to go ahead and pay or sell as goods and services. So this is the option that you want to turn on if you have it. If you do not have it, then you will not be able to turn it on. It's not available for every purchase, but basically this is what you can turn on to go ahead and enable the goods and services transaction, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.